Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up mortgage interest deduction using Form 1098, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary documents related to your mortgage. Locate your Form 1098, which your lender sends you each year. This form reports the amount of mortgage interest you paid during the tax year. Ensure you have your personal tax information handy, including your Social Security number. Open your tax software or grab your paper tax return form. If using software, start by entering your personal information. Navigate to the section for deductions and credits. Find the area dedicated to mortgage interest deductions. Enter the total amount of interest reported on your Form 1098. This amount is typically found in box 1 of the form. If you paid any points to reduce your mortgage rate, include those as well. These points may be reported in box 2 of Form 1098. Check if you itemize deductions or take the standard deduction. Itemizing may be beneficial if your total deductions exceed the standard amount. Follow the prompts in your tax software to ensure you're itemizing correctly. If filing paper forms, use Schedule A to report your itemized deductions. List the mortgage interest deduction along with other applicable deductions. Double-check your entries for accuracy. Review the tax implications if you sold or refinanced your home during the year. Make sure to account for any mortgage interest related to new loans. Finalize your tax return, ensuring all deductions are accounted for. Submit your return according to the guidelines provided by the IRS. Retain a copy of your Form 1098 for your records. This will help if you need to provide documentation in the future. Completing these steps will maximize your tax benefits related to mortgage interest. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.